Hello everyone, with you today again is Mariana, and Christmas is right around the corner. Let's ring the bells together. Using a gel polish, I draw the shape of the bells and I cure on the lamp for 30 seconds. After that, using the red gel polish, I draw the bow and I fill up with color inside. Using a darker color tone of beige, I draw the shape of the bells and give them contour. Now using darker color tone, also I am adding some shadow for the bow and I blend the color to have a smooth transition. Using a black gel paint, I do the contour for bow and for the bells. Here is very important to use no wipe gel paint because this way your lines will be much thinner. With platinum gel, I'm adding the bells inside and I give some sparkling in top as effect of more shadow. Now it's time for Christmas tree. I'm using gel paint and I draw the pines of my Christmas tree. I cure everything in a lamp. I have sealed it with top coat. Now using white gel paint, I draw the outlining. Here is same. It's really important for you to use white gel paint without sticky layer. Please like this video and Merry Christmas everyone!